Alright. Now we're going to go out to dinner. This is KTS Media, Milpitas, San Jose, and we're on the set here with a half hour of tape. But of course we can have more of footage here on Halloween night, a couple of days after Mark's Cards was here in the studio. It's the same guy as William Shatner. But anyway, welcome to Halloween night. Ooh. A pagan druidic holiday that got turned into this like candy eating thing prior to All Saints Day, which is November 1st. Now, I look especially sardonic because the lighting is all low. So it makes me look weird. But anyway, in the studio we have with us two raven-haired, gothic-looking, who are, well, females, and they're in the studio, and we're going to turn the camera on them and show you the gothic raven-haired girls. Yes. KTS cats. They are. You thought they were actually girls, but no, they are black kitties. Hi, kitties. The KTS kitties featured in those early videos. Yep, there they are. That's one of them. Hi, kitty. Hi, baby cat. You said meow. That's cute. Aren't they big? They got so big. They're cats now. They're so cute. They were almost a year old when we got them, but now they're a year and a half. It's already October. So, there's one of them. And the other one is being mischievous over there. What are you doing, kitty? You can tell which one's which. This one who's trying to lick her collar off is Cadabra. Hi, Cadabra. Say hello to the audience, Cadabra. And sneeze. Sorry. I startled her. It's like, hey, get out of here. Yeah, that didn't work. I'm not really allergic to kitty, but I'm not allergic to kitties. Hi, Halloween kitty. Hello, baby. You are so cute. Yeah. Come here, kitty. Come here, kitties. There they are. Let's get some light in here. Hello, kitty girls. Okay, here we have the magnificent Abra kitty. I believe that's Abra. Hi, kitty. And there no, that's Abra. There's Abra. There's the magnificent Abra. The wonderful mystical Abra. Okay, that's not very special, but watch this. Twirling around the kitty, twirling around. She doesn't do twirling around as fast anymore because she's like big. She's like over 10 pounds. There she goes. There she goes. She's a good kitty. She's still a big kitten. Yes! Jump! Jump! Come on. Jump! Jump! There you go. Such a good girl. Yes! Now. Other one. Okay, now. Come on, get it, get it. Yes, good girl. Well, she's not actually going to fly. I mean, not really. Oh, yeah? She's not going to fly. Tricks. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Little sissy was a tricks. Oh, boy. And now, Kitty Houdini will get out of this being tied up by the toy. Okay, Kitty Houdini, now you must untie yourself. Dun, 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 dun. She will untie herself by leaping out of the belt. Dan, 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 dan. Ready? Ready? Dun, dun, dun. She got him out. Yay! She's a brilliant kitty. Kitty, kitty, jump, 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 jump. Woo! Okay, the kitty is done for the night. Take a bow. Take a bow.